On the channel. In today's video we're going to be taking a look at question 4 from the 2024 Methods External Exam Multiple Choice Paper 2. Now, you would notice with all the videos on the channel recently I've started splitting up all the questions into individual videos. That way if you only struggle with a certain question you can go watch that on the channel. It also allows me to go into a bit more depth on each question rather than making a very long external exam video. In saying that though, still up on the channel, the link is in the description below. If you guys need a Methods External Exam bundle pack, the link is also in the description below. And again, if you have any questions, just like any video, leave something in the comments and I'll try my best to answer it. Time stamping it usually helps quite a bit. Anyway, let's get straight into this guy here. Consider the Bernoulli distribution where the outcomes of rolling a 6-sided dice are 4 and not rolling 4. So determine the variance result of the resulting binomial Bernoulli distribution for in this scenario. Okay. So here a Bernoulli distribution is a special type of binomial. It's a binomial with only one trial. So if you ever see that, that means binomial but n equals 1. Now a binomial means you can break something into two things. So heads and tails are two things. In this case here they're saying rolling a 6-sided dice a 4 or not rolling a 4. So pretty much they've broken up into the situation you could get a 4 or you could not get a 4. So on a dice, the probability of getting a 4 is 1 out of 6. The probability of not getting a 4 is, 5 out of 6. Why did I have a mind blank there? Anyway, 5 out of 6. Now here, they've said determine the variance of the resulting Bernoulli distribution of this situation. So the variance for a binomial distribution is the number of trials times by the probability of success times by the probability of failure in this case here. So here the number of trials is 1. So it's the 1 times by the probability of success. So the probability of success defined in this situation is getting a 4 on the dice, which is 1 over 6. Times by the probability of getting not a 4 is 1, quote unquote, minus a 6, which is the 5 over 6. So you can write it as 1 minus a 6, or you can just write that as the 5 over 6. So here it's literally just going to be 1 times by 1 over 6 times by 5 over 6. So here you get 5 over 36. Now because this is a calculated question, you can work out what that is to decimal places as well. So here, if we were to put this into our calculator, we get 0.138 recurring. So here they've used a dot instead, so the correct answer is going to be B. Okay. Now, if you had any questions about this one here, leave something in the comments, but this would help to study binomial distributions indirectly here, and probably just recognizing the word Bernoulli means binomial, n equals 1. If you guys need a Methods External Exam bundle pack, the link is also in the description below. But otherwise, I'll see you guys in the next video.